Hey there, aspiring YouTubers. Are you struggling to get more views and subscribers to your YouTube channel? Well, today we are going to show you a game-changing tool that will help you master SEO and skyrocket your YouTube content to the top of search results. It's called vidIQ and it's a powerful tool for keyword research. So, what exactly is vidIQ? Well, it's a browser extension that provides valuable insights and data to help you optimize your YouTube videos. And one of its most exciting features is the keyword research tool. Why is keyword research important for YouTube? The answer is simple. It helps you understand what people are searching for and what keywords you should include your video titles, tags, and descriptions to get most of the search results of your contents in the top of search ranks. By strategically using the right keywords, you can increase your videos' visibility and attract more viewers and get more subscribers as much as possible. So let's go to our computer screen and I will show you how you can make keyword research using vidIQ. We have come here on our computer screen and we have to see on the top of our YouTube Studio dashboard where we can locate the vidIQ plugins, and that is the three-dot line. Okay, after clicking here, you will get daily ideas, competitors, trends alerts, most viewed, channel audits, keyword inspector, achievements, vidIQ Academy, vidIQ reward. So we have to go on the keyword inspector for searching keywords or optimization of our videos and searchable keyword research. Okay, so we have to go on the keyword inspector. After coming here, you can get a search up to 5 keywords box where you can search for your video keywords. Okay, so we will search for how to start a YouTube channel in 2024. Okay, we will search that. Search here. Okay, after searching here, you can see the related keywords, related score, search volume, competition, overall score. Always you will try to make the highest overall score on the every most right section. Okay, so we are watching here the search volume is 170,000. How to start a YouTube channel? How to start a YouTube channel for beginners? Its search volume is 20,000. And how to grow on YouTube? It's on 87,000. Try to make this highest search volume and lowest competition. It will work best for you if you are a beginner YouTuber or new content creator on YouTube as far as your related searches topic or your niche. Okay, so we are selecting some kind of topic from here like this and some of more from below and top which is related to our content. Okay, this kind of keywords I have selected from the search result, and now I have to copy to clipboard for using on my YouTube channel videos on tags, titles and descriptions. So I have to make the copy to clipboard. Okay, copy to clipboard, and I will paste it on any Google Translate or Google Docs file. Just we are opening a translate for the purpose. You can paste here or you can use Google Docs too. Okay, we are opening Google Docs and we are opening a blank sheet, and after here coming here we have paste our tags that we have got from the vidIQ keyword research tool. Okay, so here you can see how to start a YouTube channel in 2024, how to start a YouTube channel in 2023, and more YouTube channel creating related keywords for your YouTube videos. Okay, this kind of keywords you can use on your video title, video description box, and you can use your tags section also. Okay, so this is the thing and this is the way to research keyword by vidIQ that I have already showed you. So as you can see, vidIQ is an invaluable tool for mastering YouTube SEO and unlocking the power of keyword research. By using this tool to identify the right keywords, you will be well on your way to increasing your views, subscribers, and overall success on YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Until next time.